was a bit worried that the pitman arm was gonna hit the pipe right here because of the location of the manifold, and but it looks like it's gonna clear. These manifolds are not the original ones, so the this right here, it's in a different location, so it's closer to the pitman arm right there, but I think it's gonna clear. So this originally had, I think, a 2-inch or 2.25-inch exhaust tubing, and I expanded it to, I'm gonna go to a 2.5. So I have this flange that's the original one, and I expanded this to slide into a 2.5 pipe right there. I'm gonna have a 90-degree bend coming out this way. And on the passenger side, I already got this piece done. So this is what it's gonna look like. That's the flange. So from a 2.25 to a 2.5. So I haven't decided if I'm just gonna end it right there and have just a turn down, or if I'm gonna have it all the way out to the back. So I used a combination of a mandrel bend and some pieces that I bent myself with a bent pack that I have. The only reason why I decided to use the mandrel bend is because it maintains the same shape all the way through, and I had already used the bend pack to do a 90-degree, but I don't like how it distorts it. This would have been just fine, but I'm just being a little picky. So all the footage I just showed is from last year. Unfortunately, I can't start the car. I'll definitely show you guys what it sounds like in the next video.